Basta. Eh, kita buwan na, di ko ba no?
You look so dumb right now. Standing outside my show. Being here me going. Now it's time to go. Curtains finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now. But it's over now. Go on and think about. Grab your clothes and get on. You better hurry up before the sprinkles come on. Talking about girl, I love you, you're the one. This is just like a rerun. Please, what else is on? And don't tell me you're sorry, 'cause you're not. But baby, when I know you're only sorry you got caught. But you put on quite a show. Really got me going. Now it's time out. Curtain finally closing. That was quite a show. Very entertaining. But it's over now. Go on and think about. Oh, and if our hearts for about life, talk to you before making me believe that you would be faithful to me. Let's hear your speech out. How about a round of applause? Tending the way.